Welcome to this episode of Easy Physics. Today, we will delve into the fascinating life of one of the most influential physicists of the 20th century, Richard Feynman. Born on May 11, 1918 in Queens, New York, Feynman's contributions to the field of physics not only earned him a Nobel Prize, but also made him a beloved figure for his ability to communicate complex scientific ideas in a relatable and accessible manner. Feynman's journey into the world of physics began at an early age. As a child, he displayed an insatiable curiosity and an exceptional aptitude for mathematics. His parents nurtured his passion, encouraging him to explore the wonders of the natural world. At the age of 17, Feynman entered the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, where he embarked on his formal education in physics. During his time at MIT, Feynman's brilliance shone through, and he quickly made a name for himself as a prodigious talent. He graduated in 1939 with a bachelor's degree in physics and went on to pursue his doctoral studies at Princeton University, where he worked under the guidance of renowned theoretical physicist John Archibald Wheeler. Feynman's doctoral thesis focused on the mathematical formulation of quantum mechanics, a field that would become his lifelong passion. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for his later contributions to quantum electrodynamics, QED, a theory that describes the interactions between light and matter. This work would go on to earn him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1965, alongside Julian Schwinger and Shinichiro Tominaga. Beyond his academic achievements, Feynman was also known for his unique personality and unconventional approach to life. He possessed a contagious enthusiasm for learning and had a knack for explaining complex concepts in simple terms, making him an exceptional teacher. Feynman's lectures at the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, became legendary, attracting students and colleagues from all over the world. One of the highlights of Feynman's career was his involvement in the Manhattan Project during World War II. As part of a team working on the development of the atomic bomb, Feynman contributed to the theoretical understanding of nuclear physics. His work on the project earned him a place among the most brilliant minds of his generation. After the war, Feynman continued his research and teaching at various institutions, including Cornell University and the University of California, Berkeley. During this time, he made significant contributions to the field of quantum electrodynamics, developing what is now known as Feynman diagrams. These diagrams provided a visual representation of particle interactions and greatly simplified calculations in the field. In addition to his scientific endeavors, Feynman had a passion for adventure and exploration. He was an avid bongo player, a skilled safecracker, and even enjoyed studying the behavior of ants. Feynman's insatiable curiosity led him to investigate a wide range of topics beyond physics, including biology, psychology, and even philosophy. Feynman's life was not without its challenges. He faced personal tragedy when his first wife, Arlene, passed away from tuberculosis during their marriage. Despite this heartbreak, Feynman dedicated himself to his work and continued to inspire students and colleagues with his infectious enthusiasm. In the latter years of his life, Feynman turned his attention to the realm of popular science writing. His books, including Surely You're Joking, Mr. Feynman, and the Feynman Lectures on Physics, became bestsellers and introduced millions of readers to the wonders of the universe. Richard Feynman's legacy extends far beyond his scientific achievements. He was a true Renaissance man, embodying the spirit of curiosity, exploration, and intellectual rigor. His ability to convey complex ideas with simplicity and humor continues to inspire aspiring physicists and science enthusiasts worldwide. And that concludes our episode on the life of Richard Feynman. Join us next time as we explore more captivating topics in the world of physics. Thank you for tuning in to Easy Physics.